morning everyone and welcome to my workshop called Mind Mechanism. Right? Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Gaurav Gore. I carry a professional experience of over 14 years so far, out of which the 7 years have been in the corporates and the other 7 years has been the journey of an entrepreneur. I have been in the training industry for the last 7 years and it's an amazing journey so far, right? I trained myself on neuro-linguistic programming, I trained myself on body language, I trained myself on emotional intelligence, and I trained myself on multiple leadership camps so that I can understand the way people think. And the reason I'm introducing this workshop to you online for the first time, because I do this workshop in person with a group of youngsters, with a group of professionals, with corporates, with organizations or social platforms, so on and so forth. But this time, during the lockdown, I decided to bring this program to you, online, so that I can introduce and help you understand certain techniques of what we're going to discuss. In this program, or you can consider this video as a demo video, right? Because I'm going to talk about emotional intelligence in this. Now, emotional intelligence can be a huge word, or neuro-linguistic programming is a method, it's a science, or body language. We got 7 billion plus people around the world, so there's no one particular body language which can tell you everything. However, this particular workshop that I'm bringing to you, I'm going to interact and give you some techniques with demonstration skills that how you can understand and process your thoughts. To give you a very simple example, right? Everybody watches news nowadays, right? And we hear the word corona for over 21,000 times in a day by a media channel, and that's exactly what gets hampered in our brain. And let's understand how the brain processes. You watch the news, be it a negative or a positive news, but let's understand if there's a very disturbing news to your mind, you look at it and we get associated with it, alright? And that's the problem. If you have emotional intelligence, you will not get affected by it. And if you have mental health, you will choose to ignore that news. Very simple techniques. When I talk about lie detection, how your eye movements actually happens. When I talk about pattern recognition, every person has a thought process because of his environment, because of his colleague, because of the people he's surrounded with, so on and so forth. So I decided to bring this workshop to make sure that each one of you understand the basic guidelines of how to process your mind, because eventually your mind is everything. Right? The way you think is the way you become. Are you with me on this? And I would like to give you this message through this video that this workshop is going to be extremely interactive. I'm going to give you a lot of tricks. I'm going to ask you to do a lot of short tasks, I would say, on your family, so that you get the hang of what exactly mind mechanism is all about. This workshop is for 30 hours. Now I leave the choice to you. How do you want to process? Because I know some of you have kids at home. Some of you are working so hard every day, 8 hours, 10 hours, and it's going to be difficult for you to attend the workshop. So I'm going to leave the decision to you. Do you want me to take a 3 hour a day, or you want to do a 2 hour a day, or 1 hour a day, or you want to do a full Sunday workshop, or anything like that? Suggestions are open. I know some participants are from Madhya Pradesh, some of them are in fact out of India as well. And I'm restricting this workshop only for 10 people. Why? Because so that I can interact with each one of you and help you understand how your mind is actually processing the information. This is going to be crazy. This is going to be unbelievable. The first time I did this workshop, I was a participant, I was literally blown off. Right? And I really want you to have that experience. You were talking to Gaurav Gore. Any questions, please get back to me either on Facebook or my mobile number. This video will have all the details. Thank you so much. Take care.